Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing one of the topic that is India account. So one of the person told that yeah basically in India basically account basically we are discussing one of the dangerous topic that is SBI bank creation and their groups. That is basically everybody knows who are basically staying in India. They basically connects to SBI bank. Each and every people, even the poor people basically, they also connects to SBI. The residents of India basically they are connecting to SBI. SBI bank basically is in Pakistan also. So they there were also basically few people are connecting. So here basically that's basically that is also basically a dangerous topic basically actually due to SBI bank and their creation only created this earthquake basically. The earthquake basically which is going to happen that has happened due to this SBI bank group only basically. Here basically we are not blaming anyone basically because human only do the mistakes basically. Human only basically do the mistake and one person basically can't do anything. So in India basically anybody say that basically ये जो है ये businessman he's handling India basically pick basically that particular person but you basically can't blame that particular person basically. If you say that basically Tata's, Ambani's basically they are handling India basically, but you can't blame that particular person basically, right? Because one person basically can't do anything. It's his team basically. So if mistake has happened, that means its team is responsible. So here basically we are not talking about the mistakes, this, that, each and everything basically. Here we are talking about second topic, Amazon, and third topic that is Amazon is also connected with this group basically. That is Indian businessman group basically. And reason whoever basically do the business in India, they are going to connect to SBI. Few people says that basically हम तो भाई इंडिया से निकल गए, we don't want to do business in India. But you have done na basically. You have done the business. So you already came into that basically. If you are not doing business basically in India, that means you are not connected. But you have done, that means you already came into that. So here basically we will discuss this also basically which connects to the Amazon SBI. But the most dangerous topic which we are discussing that is earthquakes basically. Because world basically will not exist, then what is meaning of Amazon, what is meaning of SBI? But this all groups has connected the SBI, connected the earthquakes. Because earthquake basically is not a natural basically, it's a created basically. Previously basically it was natural, but now the world has created, world has connected to the power company, energy company and nuclear power company. They are handling the entire earthquakes. So here one of the point basically we discussed that is the educational data. One of the person told that education जो है वो एक धंधा बन गया है. That means business basically. One person, for example, I know lots of things basically. I know basically more than MBA basically. I know more than the Oxford group basically. I know more than the Oxford Harvard basically. But I am not getting the job. Why? Because I am not connected with any of the education group basically. I am good into management basically. I can manage the entire software company basically. You watch my video basically, then you say that basically if I can't handle. But it's connected with the connected because nowadays basically the if you want the job also no basically you have to connect with the some education center basically. Without education center basically you can't do anything basically. Even basically you have a good knowledge basically. See basically धंधा बन गया है. Even basically you have the good knowledge also. But without education also basically you can get good knowledge basically. See my each and every videos basically. I am just a BCom person plus 22 years of IT experience basically. And my last designation was as a project manager come software delivery head. Even basically the Microsoft corporation will say that basically yes you have a good knowledge of even basically you can basically work in Microsoft also. But yeah basically system doesn't allow basically. So reason system has become business basically. Nowadays basically the education has converted into business. So that basically we are going to discuss later on. But that is also very dangerous topic which is going to connect to the earthquakes. So one person told that इतने लोगों ने MBA किया है. That means this was in Hindi basically. And the English is this many people basically have done the MBA. That means 5 करोड़ 5 करोड़ लोगों ने MBA किया है. This was in Hindi. English is 5 crore people basically done the MBA. MBA means Master in Business Administration basically. So one person told that up to what level basically they gets the education basically. They gets few datas, they have to play with that datas, and they basically sometimes basically they gets good experience in plus MBA, then basically they creates the data. That is one thing. But here basically the main thing is MBA is connected to what is the root of MBA. So the root of MBA is near around basically one person, how many energies are connected. For example, in head basically, how many energies are connected and up to what. For example, if you say that one of the person told that basically near basically here the software energies are also there. So they also are connected basically. So they told that basically nowadays basically the business is this only basically. Nowadays the energy companies are basically circulating the energy near around and the education groups are doing the business. So that connects to one family basically. Family business basically. It connects to family business basically. You set the energy, I will do the education business. So this connects to one family basically. No, just taking as an example basically. This basically connects to one family. That is basically one group basically that you can say. So here basically we are not discussing that basically who is handling India, but one person basically can't do anything. That basically you have to mark the word basically. If you want to write there anywhere somewhere, you can write it down. That one group basically, one person basically can't do anything. If for anybody says that Tata hai jo he is handling the entire India, but he basically one person can't do anything basically. Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Modi, he is basically responsible for India basically, whatever things basically is happening. But his team basically is responsible. One person can't do anything basically. Even I say that basically I can handle the entire company, but one person basically can't do anything. Team basically is required basically, and that team should listen that particular person basically. Then only basically works happen basically. Otherwise basically, but the team leader should be very dangerous basically. Very dangerous means very powerful. I will take one example. This actually I had taken, then also basically I am taking. One BE and software company person basically done some project. He basically got some very dangerous idea basically. He is BE, so BE education connected. Then he is software professional, so software education also connected. Plus his experience in the companies basically of the projects basically. So that experience connected. So BE, software education, then the software companies projects experience. Plus his guidance experience basically. So these 4 things or 3-4 things basically connected to that new ideas basically. And whatever activities he do, whatever girlfriend basically he might be having, he might be basically having wine, whatever beer, or basically he might be having non-veg, he might be having veg food. Just taking as an example, or he might be doing some fasting or whatever thing basically he might be doing. So this all connected to his activities. And everything basically connected to that idea basically. That was new idea basically. And that basically he connected. That basically he connected. That is the one thing. So here one of the person told that this actually which I am discussing, that basically I am not discussing that video. Here one person told that the activities, everything basically which he has done, education, each and every combination, that was created in the environment according to the ideas basically which he is going to connect, or basically by default actually it connected basically. That was also very dangerous question, because energy level are that kind of people basically, they are very 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 dangerous basically. They creates the idea basically, I am telling you, but that basically very few energy groups can do basically. But rest of thing basically things automatically only, but it's activated by activated by satellite group, and satellite group has given control to energy company, power company and nuclear power company. So you can just imagine. So one of the person told that you can't, for example, one person got the connected with the idea. So it might possible that his activities basically might be connected, or basically according to the whole activities, educations, everything basically connected into one combination, and that combination basically attracted that education. So anything is possible basically, because possibilities are there, and each possibilities basically you can't ignore a single possibilities. If anybody says that basically I created 1 lakh combination, then also basically 1 lakh combination is less. Why? How basically that 1 lakh combination is less? I will take one example. One person basically had BE level education. So in that BE level, assume that basically he is getting 500 types of ideas. So 500 multiply by, he connected to that software education center basically. That is the education center. So they are basically connected to 1000 ideas. So 500 multiply by 1000. Then basically he connected to few companies, and he basically have around more than 20 years experience. He connected to many projects basically, more than 100 200 projects basically. They're basically connected to 1000 ideas. So 500 multiply by 1000 multiply by 1000. Then basically he was basically having that human needs, this human needs, he was having this vehicle, he basically was having BMW, he was having Renault Duster, he basically was having any cars basically, and he was basically having two-wheeler vehicles also, this that each and everything basically. He was going to that temple, that basically he basically had prasad basically. He was basically, as a Muslim, then basically he was doing, as in just taking as an example, if he was Muslim, then basically he was doing the namaz, this that each and everything. If he is Muslim, then basically he was reading Ramayana, he was reading Hanuman Chalisa, this, that, each and everything. If he is a Parsi, then basically he was reading the Parsi book, whatever thing basically. Each activity is connected to 1000 ideas. So 500 multiply by 1000 multiply by 1000 multiply by 1000. So the new idea which connected basically, that connected to this many combination. So it's a huge basically, 500 multiply by 1000 multiply by 1000. One more 1000. So more than 50 crore combination came here basically. More than 50 crore means you can just imagine basically 50 crore means one nuclear power company came into the picture. So one idea, that means equal to one nuclear power company basically. Because 500 multiply by 1000 multiply by 1000 multiply by 1000, it connecting to more than 50 lakh crore basically. Sorry, 50 crore basically will take. So 50 crore combination basically, to handle that combination, one nuclear power plant is required basically. So when he generated that idea basically from his body, that time basically he generated 50 crore, one nuclear power plant basically from his body basically. So immediately basically one nuclear power company basically connected, and they told that basically something new idea is generated by pakado isko. So they basically started creating new nuclear power company basically for that special idea basically, which was that because that idea is going to change the world basically. And there is one ad also, एक idea जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया. So the ad maker are also basically ad maker basically might not have think up to that level, but he basically might be near about basically, he might be knowing this everything, that one idea basically can do anything basically. But the group basically who created this ad basically, which ad basically, that I don't know, which company basically, some company has told this basically, that एक idea जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया. So that created one nuclear power company basically. One idea created one nuclear power bank basically. You will not believe this basically. But I am just telling now basically. But this was told by long before basically by the one of the ad company, which ad company, that I don't know what product basically was there. Somebody told that, and that product basically does not that ad basically is not existing in YouTube also basically. I searched that ad also basically. They removed that basically by default, but they have done this ad, or basically somebody have told to do this basically ad basically. That basically we can't say anything. So whatever things basically was, but that was very dangerous ad basically. So one of the person told that giving the advertising in television, that is also nuclear basically. So television itself basically one nuclear. Television itself is one nuclear basically. The news channel basically is one nuclear basically. Nuclear power company basically. So one of the person told that ये जो पूरा building है ना basically, that basically is news agencies basically. Entire Noida basically contains news agencies basically. आज तक यहाँ पे RTV यहाँ पे है, then basically the new NDTV यहाँ पे, then the new दूरदर्शन यहाँ पे है, then basically the which channel basically India is news is there, then the India channel is there, ABP is there, Z News is there. Many channels basically are there, which are telling that we are nuclear basically, but they don't know that basically they are nuclear basically. But they are actually nuclear basically, and that's very dangerous basically. So here basically that is different thing, and that also basically connecting to the earthquake only. So one of the person told that stable data, unstable data. Stable data, that means earthquake is not going to come. Unstable data, earthquake is going to come basically. But to stop that earthquake basically, many movies are created, many theaters basically are created, many serials are created, many ads are created, many human needs are created, so that basically the earthquake can be stopped basically. Unstable data can be converted to stable data. So one of the person told that earthquake basically is coming, that basically is predicted long before basically. To create one movie basically, how many time it takes basically? After movie creation, the human need source from that movie basically, how many time it takes? So this many time basically the groups get, so that basically the earthquake can be reversed basically. So it's not like that basically everybody is doing time pass basically, but they don't know that basically they are actually stopping the earthquake, and they are basically trying to do the stable data basically. Unstable data basically they are trying to do the stable data. So you can just imagine basically one MBA degree is connected with the energies which are near around us basically. So if I say that, for example, in India basically how many energy companies are there? One is IPCL, one is ONGC, one is IOC, and another is GSFC, and then basically the Reliance is there, then the Adani groups are there, then the many groups are basically there. So they basically handles basically entire group basically handles one body, or basically one group basically might be handling one body basically, or basically one blood group, for example A blood group, B blood groups are basically given to certain level of groups. That basically is decided by the government basically. That is decided by the government. So one person told that basically, assume that basically everybody basically got some body parts. That Reliance basically you handle these many parts from head to neck basically. Then hand basically is handled by Adani groups. Then basically from here to here, downside part basically, stomach, that basically the IOC basically groups can handle. And from near stomach to downside basically, ONGC groups you handle basically that part basically. And this basically connects to, totally basically this connects to what basically? This connects to business only basically. They are handling the body parts, right basically. They are handling the body parts. That means they got everything basically. They basically got the key of that particular person. They basically can damage his body parts. They basically can repair his body parts. If the Reliance got this much basically body parts, that means he basically can do anything basically. They basically got the head key basically. They can do anything basically in Sunil R. Nayar's head basically. Just taking as an example basically, so that basically it can be clear basically. So he told that basically head basically is got by to the Reliance, so he basically can, इसका दिमाग खराब हो गया, तो he basically can damage his body parts also. But he is basically not like, he basically can't do like that basically. Why? बिकॉज एक आइडिया जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया, दैट बेसिकली एड इज देयर बेसिकली. So one of the person told that everything should be stable and unstable because one single person's body parts basically you are handling, that means that is connecting to the earthquake data and non-earthquake data. Like this basically I am one. Like this basically 700 to 800 crore people are there. Their energy basically are used in the whole world basically, so that basically the earthquake is not supposed to happen, and from their body data only the earthquake happens. So one of the person told that the Bangalore city basically is having thousand. I have taken one example of thousands buildings basically in Bangalore city. In Bangalore city, basically Microsoft is handling the thousand buildings. So he is handling that building basically on the base of certain level of human body's energy. Basically, he is getting energy from somewhere, and he is telling that basically these all body parts are basically handled. This all body parts energies basically are handling that thousand buildings. So that is stable, right? If anything basically happens to that data basically, that is the which the Microsoft basically is got, so that the thousand building can be handled. So next time basically when he collects the data, there basically the building will get unstable data, and unstable data means disease will happen mostly basically. If it's a more unstable data, then the earthquake will happen basically. So few people tell that basically the human health and basically health that also connects to the building earthquakes. You will not believe this basically. The earthquake, one of the reason is this, that is the Microsoft basically was handling the building data with the help of 1 crore energy basically, and 1 crore energy basically got something basically, and in that something basically he connected to some bad energy, and if bad energy connects, then basically the that 1000 building basically got some problem basically, and in that problem basically, if it's a big problem, then basically it is going to connect to earthquake. But if it's one reason is this 1 crore, due to 1 crore unstable data, their health goes basically is going to affect. They are connected to certain level of companies, they are doing some certain level of task basically, that is going to affect. So each and every chain basically is connected with each other. So Microsoft disturbed, this thousand building got disturbed. Microsoft energy got disturbed, that is 1 crore people. Here basically the 1000 building also got disturbed. So that Bangalore city, 1000 city, that will connect to earthquake basically. Why? Because Microsoft 1 crore people's data has affected. So one of the person told that yes, here basically it's very dangerous basically. So earthquakes are connected up to this level basically. You will not believe this basically. One of the person told that, for example, in Bangalore, 1000 cities there. 1 crore people basically are giving perfect stable energy also. Suddenly basically happened to few buildings basically, that is around of from 1000 building, around 100 building basically got some disease basically. Had there basically some disease started. So that disease basically is going to connect to earthquakes basically, to that building. Mostly people says that previously, long before basically, if that would be the scene basically, that time basically the earthquake basically might connect to the building basically. But nowadays basically everything is protected. So any, for example, the 500 buildings basically people basically got the earthquake, got the disease, that is not going to connect to that 1 crore energy is basically near around the 1000 buildings. So world has reached up to this level, and that is very dangerous basically. I am telling you, it's very 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 dangerous basically, because they have the each and every people control basically. This 500 people 500 building basically is not giving the, not connecting to that 1 crore people or energy. That means 1 crore people data basically Microsoft already have the control. Energy companies also have the control. So you can just imagine basically. But nobody damages their property basically. That 1 crore is a property of Microsoft basically. He will not damage his property basically. He will not damage the basically. Why he will damage basically? His property? So just see basically this is also one of the part of earthquake. So one of the person told that what is the higher level of layer of the earthquake basically? Because in previous lecture basically you told that earthquake is connected to the education. Now basically you are telling that basically that 1 crore people basically are connected with the energy, and basically if anything happen to that 1 crore, earthquake is going to happen. So that's basically the layer basically how the earthquakes basically are defined. Few people says that I am basically good in accounting, but the engineer people basically can do the accounts, but they can do basically, but not up to the commerce level people basically. Commerce group basically can't do the engineering basically. Why? Because they are not up to that level basically. So each and every sector basically are defined basically. So same ways the earthquakes are also defined. Whenever this 1 crore people basically data are taken by the Microsoft and kept in the 1,000 building basically near around building, and basically due to that basically the building is not moving left and not moving right, that means stable data. So in that basically commerce data are also there, science data are also there, non-educated data are also there, then the ideas are there. Ideas means for example one person basically is doing the chartered accountancy, so he basically is going to read 1,000 he's going to read 100 books, assume that. So that 100 books are basically dumped near around his uh, 1 crore population basically. Because chartered accountant data are also basically kept, which is activated by the power company. So the power company activates when that person basically is reading the chartered accountant books basically. That time the power company activates that energy basically near around the buildings that connects to his body basically. It's not like that basically the whenever basically he's reading the book and the power company and the nuclear power company sends the data from there basically. They are not doing the like that basically. They are not doing like that basically. They are basically setting the environment. So the Microsoft basically has set the environment near 1,000 buildings that contains a chartered accountant degree data also. Whenever that person basically is reading the chartered accountant book basically, that time he is connecting to that ideas which is getting activated by the power company, energy company, nuclear power company, and the satellite groups also connect here basically. So one of the person told that yes, satellite group basically how basically they can handle 800 crore people basically. That is also question. So this connects to like this. Nuclear, each and every nuclear power company are connected with the satellite group. So whenever the nuclear power company are sending the data to, especially the special case basically, and this basically is a special case only basically. Whenever person basically is doing the education, that is connecting to the special case basically. One person basically is doing BE basically, so that connects to special case basically. One person is doing BCom basically, that connects to special case. Special basically the activation happens from the power company, and then basically the if nuclear power company activates, then basically the satellite groups also gets activated automatically. So this connects to the perfect AI basically, you can say, artificial intelligence, and this is the best example of AI basically. You will never get this type of example basically. This is the best example of AI. One person is reading B book, B ideas connected to his body outside the from the outside the buildings, and that outside the building basically that energy was connected with the automatically connected with the power companies, and each and every ideas basically each and every buildings basically the 1,000 buildings, they are connected with 1 crore energy, and that 1 crore energy basically are directly connected with the power companies basically. It's not like that basically the power company is not connected. So one of the person told that like this basically, assume that basically in this world basically there are around 100 crore buildings, and especially in Mumbai basically there are big buildings basically. 200 floor building, 300 floor building, 500 floor building, 600 floor building, 1,000 floor building, 2,000 floor building. So like these buildings basically are there in Mumbai. So like this, in this world basically there are around 200 crore buildings basically which are connected with set of power company, energy company and power nuclear power company, and which are connected with the satellites. So one person told that basically a few power companies and energy companies and the nuclear power company can control these 100 crore buildings. 100 crore buildings, it is not moving left side and not moving right side. That is control basically. So one satellite group basically can handle the entire Earth planet basically. So this 100 crore, 200 crore building is nothing basically in front of them basically. With the help of this nuclear power company and energy company, which is connecting to the earthquakes data. So in next video basically we are going to connect this chain basically, how these 200 crore buildings are getting handled, and how these 1000 buildings basically, which is the Microsoft Corporation example I have taken, that is basically handling, and how basically the education sector basically are connecting, because education sectors are created by the State Bank of India groups. So 1 lakh education certificates basically are there, and this 1 lakh certification basically is created by the SBI groups. In that SBI groups, Reliance is there, ONGC is there, IPCL is there, IOC is there, many basic GSFC is there, like this many companies basically are there, which is controlled by set of nuclear power company, and that nuclear power companies are connected with the satellite companies, and satellite companies are directly connected with the satellites. And here basically in India, that is NASA and ISRO basically. I think NASA is basically from USA, and ISRO basically are I think from India. So that basically this everything topic basically we are going to discuss, and which is going to generate one matrix basically, how basically 200 crore buildings basically are handled, and that is basically handled in the stable way basically. Stable way means earthquake is not supposed to happen, and unstable means opposite, earthquake will happen. So here basically we are talking which topic? SBI groups, then Amazon groups data, and third is after 2 days the big earthquake is going to come. In really basically it's not going to come. I am just taking as an example basically. But earthquake basically is the process basically, and that 55 country basically example I have already taken. In that 55 country, India is also one of the country, and where India data is getting processed. So in next video basically we are going to see that entire chaining system and entire mechanism and entire matrix of this topic basically just now I discussed.